Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and I have a special unit I'd like to show you guys today, but I don't know much about it, so let me bring in the expert here, the CEO of the company, who tells us a little bit more about it.
Yes, hello. Yes, I'm Lorena, and yes, we are an Italian company, a family-run company based in Verona, in the north of Italy, and we have been producing such vehicles since 1977. We are now starting the sales in the US because last November, we got the RVIA certification, so we are now ready to roll officially in the US. Yeah.
So what are we looking at here? Because there's not a lot that seem to be this size on the market.
Right, this is an Oasi 540, which is 17 feet long. It is a very compact vehicle that you can drive and park like a car, so to say. Then inside, very roomy, very spacious. We made the most of the space outside and inside the vehicle. Yes, we have a centralized locking.
Got it.
So you, with the RAM ProMaster key, you can lock and unlock all the external doors. It's all made in fiberglass,
Yes.
so every locker is heated and protected, insulated as well. So with this monocoque cabin, we offer a 4-season vehicle.
Nice,
actually. Yes.
nice. You can just tell it feels like it's all built in there
Very
together.
sturdy.
Yep.
Yeah, very sturdy.
This is so your water fill here, and then your
yeah.
water, your two
Yeah.
valves there.
Yes, then we are fitting the Truma Combi gas in this case. There will be the possibility to upgrade to a Truma Combi gasoline.
Okay.
In case, yes.
And
the cassette, the
cassette.
automatic cassette, yes, right. You
toilet,
can you can store a second cassette in the locker at the back if you like to take a second one with you. So
Okay.
as you can see, the bumper is actually a door for the access to this big locker at the back where you can load chairs, table, and all this stuff.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Well, let's
Right.
check out the inside.
Yes.
So inside, very nice modern feel to it.
Yes, we like the design, so we try every year to upgrade or to upgrade vehicles and the interiors. This certification, US certification, gave us the opportunity to upgrade the vehicle as well. So the US product is now possibly better than the European one. Yes, we got with this backsplash with the indirect lighting. And then flash fitting sink made in Korean, which is very nice and with this soft touch overall. Laminates, we do not use melamine or paper. We are producing all the cabinets in Verona with these HPL laminates.
And so this makes into a bed.
This is a single bed or a double bed by putting down the table, which is on a telescopic leg, and then our patented drop-down.
Yeah. And then it just locks in place there.
It's very easy to pull down. Yes, you can leave all beddings over there. It remains always ready. From the bed, you can access the cupboards, the cabinetry, and you have two sky view.
And how much weight will that hold?
350 kilo,
Whatever the conversion is.
700 pounds.
That's quite a bit.
Yeah.
And then when you're done, you just flip it right back up?
And then you can pull it up. Yeah, right. It works very easily.
Very nice.
Then a large restroom with a large sink as well.
Yeah, I love the fabric on the walls like that to make it look a little bit more quality, I guess, than just
Gracious,
fiberglass
yeah.
or something.
Yes,
That's really nice.
shower.
And what kind of power? You have solar on the roof.
Yes, we have the air conditioning and then a solar panel, 130 watts. Yeah.
Okay. And lithium batteries then?
Lithium battery and inverter.
Okay. How
Yes.
large is the inverter?
200 ampere battery
Yeah.
and 2000 watts inverter.
Okay.
Yes.
Is that enough to allow you to run your AC unit?
Yes,
It
yes,
is?
it is enough for this air conditioning.
Okay.
Yes, absolutely.
And a little bit more storage space where you
Yeah,
are.
yes, that's wardrobe.
Very nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then
Now, so
underneath as well.
do you have a dealer network in the States?
We have a distributor in the U.S. Then we have 2 dealers at the moment. One dealer based in Nashville, Tennessee,
Okay.
and the other one in Salt Lake City, Utah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if people want to learn more, they can go online and look and contact one of those
Absolutely.
dealers.
Online you can find many things. On Wingamm.com is very rich, I would say. And then after the show, we'll have 1 unit at the dealership in Nashville to test drive.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for taking a few minutes and showing us around. This is, I think, a very
Thank you.
unique in its size. I think it speaks to a very an audience that's looking for something compact like this.
Yes, many customers are looking downsize.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And just to tell people the MSRP on this.
It is 188,500.
Okay, and that's
Yeah,
MSRP.
MSP, yeah.
Got it. Perfect. Well, thank you again.
Thank you. Thank
All
you so
right.
much. Thank you.